Okay, here's a copy of Windows 7 Notebook Edition. It's one that I just got done reinstalling. Gotta excuse my camera movements. Hopefully it's not too jerky for you, but I'm trying to pull it out here to show you how old this machine is. It does have a broken screen problem, but that kind of fix it. You know, it costs so much money that most people just go and buy a new computer. This machine here was full of viruses, running Windows XP Service Pack 1. It's now running Windows 7 Netbook Edition, of course. The speed of it, there's a Firefox 4, the new Firefox, pops right up, no problem. Antivirus, I use Microsoft antivirus. The security essentials, you never have to worry about it ever again. You've got CCleaner for cleaning out any kind of problems, anything that might arise. You can clean out the computer when it starts to get full. Only takes a few seconds to run. You can tell just by looking at it how much faster it is, and this being an Intel Citrino processor computer, this is one of the things, optimization, speed ups, upgrades that is possible. It could take an old XP laptop that was probably headed for the trash, and for $60, have it running Windows 7 like a dream. Okay. Anyways, this is the computer here, just to show you. It was a Citrino. If I can get it to zoom in here. Intel Citrino for Windows XP. They're a very old model laptop.